If you're interested in becoming a Splunk Cloud certified admin, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Before we dive into the details of the SPLK-1005 exam, let's take a step back and talk about what Splunk Cloud is and why it's important. Splunk Cloud is a cloud-based version of Splunk, a popular platform for collecting, analyzing, and visualizing machine-generated data. The SPLK-1005 exam is designed to test your knowledge and skills as a Splunk Cloud administrator. Share some Splunk SPLK-1005 exam dumps questions here. 1. Which setting in inputs? Conference can be used to specify the SSL certificate for a TCP or UDP input. A. SSL cert path. B. SSL root CA path. C. SSL password. D. All of the above. 2. What is the name of the component that acts as a data manager and sends data to Splunk Cloud Platform indexers? A. Heavy forwarder. B. Universal forwarder. C. Deployment server. D. License master. 3. Which file processor can be used to index files that are not actively written to or updated? A. Monitor. B. Monitor no handle. C. Upload. D. None of the above. 4. Which type of forwarder is a full Splunk Enterprise instance that can run apps and add-ons? A. Universal forwarder. B. Heavy forwarder. C. Deployment server. D. Search head. 5. Which configuration file needs to be edited to configure the universal forwarder to act as a deployment client? A. Deployment client. Con. B. Server. Con. C. Outputs. Con. D. Inputs. Con. 6. Which command can be used to install a universal forwarder on a Linux system? A. Splunk install forwarder. B. Splunk forwarder install. C. Splunk add forward server. D. Splunk enable boot start. 7. What is the main advantage of self-service Splunk Cloud over managed Splunk Cloud in terms of cost and control? A. Self-service Splunk Cloud costs more to get started and maintain but allows your organization total control in setup and security configurations. B. Self-service Splunk Cloud costs less to get started and maintain and allows your organization total control in setup and security configurations. C. Self-service Splunk Cloud costs more to get started and maintain and requires your organization to rely on Splunk for setup and security configurations. D. Self-service Splunk Cloud costs less to get started and maintain but requires your organization to rely on Splunk for setup and security configurations. 8. Which option in Splunk Web can be used to access the guided data onboarding feature? A. Add data. B. Data inputs. C. Data summary. D. Data models. 9. Which Windows-specific input type allows Splunk software to read special Windows log files such as the DNS debug server log? A. Monitor number handle. B. Windows event log. C. Windows registry. D. Windows management instrumentation, WMI. 10. What is the name of the dashboard that provides information on incoming data consumption and indexing rate for your Splunk Cloud Platform deployment? A. Indexing performance. B. Indexing quality. C. Indexing status. D. Indexing overview.